Hello and welcome. In today's video we are diving into one of the biggest challenges in industrial operation, making sense of your operational technology or OT data. My name is Veli-Matti and I'm here to show you how to transform that raw data into proactive intelligent action using Splunk. Maintenance in OT environments. This journey has 4 key phases: getting data in, exploring it, analyzing it, and finally applying it to make a real-world impact. Let's start at the beginning, getting your data in. In any industrial settings, your OT data comes from multiple sources: sensors, PLCs, SCADA systems, data historians, you name it. Traditionally, this data has to travel through several layers of intermediary devices like industrial PCs or custom gateways. Each of these steps adds complexity, creates potential delays, and can even lead to data loss or inconsistent formatting. As you can see in this diagram, this is a complicated path. To do predictive maintenance right, we need to simplify this. And that's where the Splunk Edge Hub changes the game. Unlike traditional methods that require multiple hops, the Splunk Edge Hub connects directly to your OT data sources using their native industrial protocols. But it doesn't just forward the data, it processes it right at the edge. It filters out the noise, enriches the data with useful context, and most importantly, normalizes it. And what do we mean by normalization? Imagine standardizing all your timestamps, making sure all your temperature readings are in Celsius, and giving your data fields consistent unified names. This happens before the data ever reaches the Splunk platform. On top of that, the Edge Hub has local buffering, which means if your network goes down, no data is lost. It waits and sends it once the connection is restored. The result is single, clean and reliable stream of data arriving at the Splunk platform, ready for immediate exploration. And that's the foundation. By solving the data ingestion challenges first, you set the stage for powerful analytics. In our next video, we'll explore how to handle this data flow in highly secure, air-gapped environments. Thanks for watching.